What herb cures hiccups? Fennel. Fennel is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat hiccups. Its licorice-like flavor and aroma can help relax the diaphragm and stop involuntary muscle spasms that cause hiccups. Chewing on a few fennel seeds or drinking fennel tea can often provide quick relief. However, if hiccups persist for more than a day or two, it's best to consult a doctor as they could indicate an underlying condition. Fennel is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile herb for overall health and well-being.